legit. Anything you want.
Cardano ADA to survive and showcase interest in the long run. Experiencing the current general market uncertainty, many crypto enthusiasts and traders ask themselves more often which coin will turn as true value in the years to come. Taking a look at the yearly chart and seeing the not-stopping price decline of the virtual assets, you can easily conclude that 2017 was the year of old rush high. Now technological potential is truly being the base of value comparison. Additionally, if one certain blockchain platform network does find its widespread adoption, it does not mean that the native token will be part of the utilization too. With the much anticipated atomic swap being underway, various tokens have their value at risk as there is no necessity of holding on a coin for a longer time. One digital currency that will not be impacted by the last mentioned factor is Cardano and its price value staking, opening doors for a way to receive passive income via holding the token on a longer term, will give individuals a reason to go for the leading coin. Likewise, bank interest that many used to stack value but with a dose of hype. Additionally, the same speculative train from 2017 could pass by again, hoisting the prices exponentially, following the event of the cryptocurrencies finding complete usefulness. The Cardano Foundation recently wiped the dust off its one-month dormant Twitter account to issue a notable announcement, divulging that Cardano's hierarchy had undergone a sudden shift. As Charles Hoskinson, one of the masterminds behind the Ethereum and Cardano projects alike, put it, the Babylonian captivity of Cardano has ended. Per a public statement sued by the foundation, Michael Parsons, the former chairman, has stepped down from his role willingly, with this change taking effect immediately. WISE ratings, according to the recent study, XRP, XLM, ADA, and EOS were rated higher than, meaning that the prestigious risk assessment firm recommends their purchase. These are among the few that are beginning to put it all together: the advanced tech and adoption in the real world. They're not all the way there yet, but they're making good progress. Why Cardano ADA is worth keeping an eye on for the next couple of years. The last 11 months have been nothing short of slaughter for the crypto market, including the king, Bitcoin, and not just Cardano ADA. The standard expression to refer to a market that is going down is bearish, as you probably already know, but this time the bears were really hungry and made life really miserable for everybody. But there is no doubt that the market will recover sooner or later. In the last couple of days, we've started to see green numbers pop up here and there. It's not a market trend yet, of course, but some coins are starting to push forward once more slowly. According to experts, the market won't really experience a new bull run until it hits rock bottom. Many of them think that will happen when Bitcoin goes as low as $3,000 in price. Yes, that low. And what should we make of this? Nothing, really. Markets go up and down in cycles, and the cryptocurrency market has had at least 4 bearish runs that have been as bad, if not worse, than the current one. It's always recovered and more. There's nothing wrong with Bitcoin, or any other digital asset. It just so happens that as long as the altcoin exchanges around the world are ruled by speculative pressure, these episodes are unavoidable. However low Bitcoin could be right now, it remains the gold among digital assets, and it will remain so until some other token takes over its place as the world's largest by market capitalization and as a base currency in the world's exchanges. Maybe Bitcoin is down, but it's definitely not out. But even in a market as adverse as today's, those who can read the signs of the times and know what they're doing can still make a bit of money. No, seriously. Just a few days ago the market saw a bull run on Cardano's. Congrats to those who took advantage. That made it grow quite a bit. It didn't last, but you can be sure that those who saw it coming made a pretty penny. And since we are on the subject of Cardano, let's dig a little deeper. It may not be the traders' and investors' darling coin, but in terms of technological and academic prestige, very few blockchain projects can hold their own against Cardano. It's considered to be the best third-generation blockchain technology. It has a professional developing team behind it. It's looking to bring innovations to the blockchain seriously, It enjoys an outstanding reputation among the cryptographic academic world, and it has great potential. You don't hear a lot about Cardano in the news. There's a reason for that. The blockchain projects that are actively trying to find case uses for their tokens, and there are not that many of those, most are quite passive in that regard, are trying to gain adoption in Europe, Asia, or North America. Not Cardano. Cardano is working to get Africa. That's because the Cardano leadership knows that in Africa, there is a dearth of financial services of all kinds, so it's the place in the world in which a good cryptocurrency can be adopted the soonest by a large chunk of the population, thus becoming real money quickly. Many observers believe that Cardano ADA will go as high as $8 or $10 in the following 13 months. That would be huge, as it's trading at $0.0346 as we write this article. So don't let yourself be blinded by all the news about the most famous coins in the world. Dig deeper, keep an eye on Cardano's ADA.